This meeting is being recorded.
Hello everyone, this is SIG Node CI. Today is November 15, 2023. Yeah, let's get started. Let me present my screen. It looks like we have no agenda today, so we will go directly to test triage and then bug triage. Start with SIG Node. Okay, on release blocking, I see serial container is failing. This was okay. This was broken for a while, and then it got fixed, but it's still flaking a bit. I think it's always the same test that flakes. Create a patch of pods. Latency resource should be limited within concrete and pods with zero interval. Anyone has context on this particular test, or knows why this is so flaky? I don't know if we have an existing issue for this. Yeah, it was
Create
entirely.
I remember that. We've been discussing why should we just increase timeout or
That could be a good idea, yeah. Okay.
yeah.
Conformance release 125 is it's only one failure. Okay, it's fine. 126 is green, 127 is green, and 128 is green as well. Okay, let's see on kubelet. Kinder one flake, that's fine. I'll just look at the numbers. Everything looks fine so far. Couple of flakes, but not terrible. I believe. I think it was you, Todd. You fixed this. The swap issues, but this was.
No, it was Kevin.
Oh, it was Kevin. Sorry, I got it wrong. Got confused on that. Yeah, Kevin worked on this. It looks like the regular Ubuntu is passing. There's still some issues on the serial, but it looks mostly green, so I think it's fine now. Let's see. I'm gonna skip all the. Well, actually, they look green now. Most of the case, this one is failing. I see a couple of flakes, but nothing terrible. This one has been failing for a while. It's passing before. It doesn't look like it was passing before. This is cost group V1, container D node 2 and stereo. This has been failing for a while as well. Group D2, end to end. Cost device GPU plugin. I don't know if there's any issues tracking these failures. I know there's a bunch
Yeah, I
of
remember there was one that has like 5 jobs in one issue.
like an umbrella issue, yeah.
Yeah.
Evictions
GPU
are
and
still
cgroup v2 was in this issue.
Especially group B2. What about group B1? Were those included there?
I don't remember this.
These are exactly the same, just the difference. They're both failing. Okay. Seems like the only difference is the C group version. Let's see, CRIO. Let's see, your CRIO is failing. It's been failing for a while. PR finally, which is also failing. I'm guessing this is C group C1. It doesn't specify V2. Well, I guess we don't know. Okay, let's see. Just a couple of flakes, it's fine. Advisor, one flake, fine. Couple of flakes, but nothing terrible. A couple of flakes, but it looks fine. This one is probably the most flaky one. Started flaking again. I think overall it looks good. This is also failing a little bit. It's fine. So I guess the issues are the same. I don't think there's any new issues so far.
Yeah, this is great.
Um,
And I
yeah.
know there is one upcoming PR from Kevin
Mhm.
migrating some of the jobs onto community clusters, but we postponed it for after release.
Okay.
Because it's
Yeah,
catching
after release. That sounds fair.
as well.
That sounds reasonable. Yeah, also I think initially those might also cause issues. Sometimes some of the jobs are not ready for migration or they need additional settings. So we might get a little bit more red jobs after that. But that's fine. That's why we have this meeting, I guess. Okay. Well, yeah, I guess that's all for test brief. I guess I can. Did she sign up for? Oh, this was next week. Sorry. Okay. Do you want to drive box, Sergey?
Do you want to triage the board first, like test board?
Oh, sure. Yeah. So- okay, let's see. We have 13 issues. Okay, migrate SIG Node jobs to community cluster. This is. Well, I thought you said Kevin was working on this. This is not Kevin. Oh, Kevin's reviewing. Okay. Well, yeah, it looks like this is we just need to wait on this. So I'll probably move to this is just holding on their for the release. I guess approver is fine. Should we just move it to done? Because I think it's been approved.
No, it's not approved yet. It's a GCM.
It's reviewed but not approved. Okay, I'll move it to its approver then.
Yeah. And we postponing it.
Okay. This is exactly the same. I think it's been reviewed, not reviewed yet. So I'll move into review it. Let's review it. Adding image file system configuration to submits. Great. That's okay. It has reviewers. This is for a cap. I don't know if there's any.
Yeah, it sounds reasonable. Just need was it approver or reviewer?
Approver as well, because it's in review with
Need reviewer, yeah, need reviewer. No, reviewer because it's not
or
urgent.
reviewer. Okay, let's put a reviewer. I'm
So
sure if it
while we
was
were
waiting on.
talking, somebody pinged on a Slack. I pasted into the agenda doc.
Okay.
Can you switch to the section?
Sure. I don't think I will be able to. Oh, let's see.
There's an issue, and yeah, I took a issue from a Slack message.
Okay. CI Kubernetes end-to-end client beta features fail for some enabling some features by default disabled. Schedule controller manager not ready.
Oh, I see. This old one.
It's been failing for a while. Okay.
So yeah, the problem is that we've been trying to, I think, enable all the beta features and run job, but apparently when you enable all the beta feature, job fails. And presumably because of event flag.
Event flag. Okay. Okay.
Can you scroll down, like, is there a root cause? Because I remember the issue, I don't remember investigation happening.
Get to the event flag critical bug. Okay. So if this is an issue with evented flag, then we need to address the issue. Should we remove it from now from the job
We
and
need to
create its
decide
own
whether
job?
it's release blocking or not.
That's a good point. Let me see. Well, this is an alpha feature. They sent alpha feature instead of beta.
No, evented flag is beta feature, but what happens is it's disabled by default. So when
Right.
we created a job that enables all the betas and all the alphas, the job starts failing. So we need to understand what is failing with evented flag.
Okay. Let's see. So definitely, yeah, we already know it's an issue with evented flag probably. I don't know if we have an issue for evented flag itself.
You know that's
Okay,
bucket evented flag. If you scroll a little bit down, there is like link to PR, like draft PR. I wonder what
this is
is
a cap. This is a cap, sorry. Okay. Container cache is not getting set updated even to the container when they generated. I mean, it's still a work in progress.
Yeah.
Viewer, just trying, okay.
Yeah, one option is we can add a message to release node saying that we found a critical bug in evented flag. Please don't enable it, even though it's beta. Maybe
That sounds reasonable.
not enable, but that there is a critical bug in evented flag feature.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that might be best course of action because fixing race condition, even guarded by feature gate, I'm scared about it.
Okay. This is the original code, yes. Should we move this to probably priority important soon?
And yeah, I will apply milestone. Yes.
I don't know if this is important soon or urgent.
Important soon should be enough. It's already critical. Yeah.
Okay. It's still in progress, maybe. So I know someone is looking into it. Okay. Let me continue with the rest of the board then. This is a work in progress. I'm just going to move it to work in progress. This one has work in progress, but not this one.
Yeah, waiting on author should be enough. Yeah.
I'll leave it like that.
Is this one of those refactors that touches a bunch of different sections?
Then his Boolean assertion is going to fail.
Yeah, every so often somebody decides that comparing with true is not good.
Fine, we're clean. Someone needs to clean code. The array reserved during pod binding is still work in progress.
Yeah,
I'm gonna move it.
waiting on author. Yeah. Oh, actually, this may be not related to our this group. So waiting on author here, but remove it from tree. Go archive it. Yeah,
Okay, got it. But I'll leave it here on work in progress in Signal
it looks
PR.
like a product related.
Okay, simplify filter gate checking code. Oof. Okay. Does it already have a reviewer? It's been reviewed. Well, it hasn't been GTM, so I'll move it as next reviewer.
Yeah, but you can remove it from CI group. So not related to
A group?
CI. Yeah,
Okay.
you can do this here. Yeah.
Remove deprecated IO tool. Big Oktoberfest. Oh no. Hmm.
Touches every SIG.
What do we do with this kind of PRs?
Again, it's not CI related. You probably just need to
Yeah.
remove it, archive it. This kind of changes typically we either ask to split into smaller pieces, or some global approver will need to do
Yeah.
single approve and
I think Ed told him that. Exploded up by SIG at least.
Yeah. Kubernetes use a generic set instead of a specified set. Hmm. Okay, another cleanup. This is not Signal CI either. Looks like it's only PR. Sorry, next reviewer. Hmm. Okay, this is strange. Oh, there we go. Okay. Check cluster domain availability before using it. Cluster. This is also, I don't think this is a test issue. Yeah. I mean, they do change some test codes, but it's not jobs. Okay. I'm gonna remove it from the. Any reviewers? Waiting on review. I'll look for eviction test to run with separate image file system. I think I already reviewed this, or I might be wrong.
it's for this feature for images disk split.
Image file system, yeah.
I haven't looked at it yet, so
I'll leave it as part of the feature itself. I don't think it's CI related.
no, it's CI related because it's introduced a new test.
Okay, then I'll put in reviewer. Memory manager, metrics, add metrics about static location. This also doesn't look like
Yeah, this is product code.
just product. Okay. And remove node alpha feature label from sidecar end-to-end tests. EC reviewers. Let's see. Okay, it's been reviewed. Just need an approver. The array resource quotas. I think we already went into this one. Oh, I thought I updated it. I don't think this is related to CI.
Yeah, looks like what.
Okay. Checking one last time. Okay, yeah, we're done with the triage.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Thanks.
So let's switch to bug triage right now. I will open a window. Can you see my window, right?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay. Only 5 bugs to triage today. Confusion warning related to liveness probes. There's a documentation on a website. Okay. Okay, so it's triage accepted by website, so I will just assume it's okay. Kubernetes can generate an invalid, fully qualified domain name for a pod. Okay, that sounds mildly inconvenient for operating system. Okay, subdomain. Okay. Oh, interesting. So this PR that we just reviewed from Sasha, it was attempt to fix this issue. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Is anybody interested to add this logic? Basically, before this line, we need to check for cluster domain being empty, and if it's empty, then use a different pattern here. Any takers? Okay.
Probably marking as a good first issue should be pretty easy for somebody, as always.
Help. Yeah, and it's not a regression, so backlog should reflect the reality. Okay. HTTP2 ping timeout seconds and redial timeout seconds will cause node to be not ready. Okay. This was cannot receive new event. Oh, okay. So node lifecycle controller needs to be updated. Interesting. Okay. I guess we need to make a decision. So discussion here goes into like which timeout we change. Do we change node lifecycle controller timeouts or try to adjust some? I don't know what else can we adjust. Just do release quicker. Yeah, I would want to ask Antonio if there are other examples. And priority. I don't think it's a new problem. It's just HTTP2 is more and more prevalent. So we'll mark it as long term. If anybody's interested in this being assigned, please speak up. Okay. No, resolve config. Restart post container. And the regression in this logic. Mhm. Yeah, 120 is definitely out of support. So good. Scalar preemption logic deadlocks when this pod with a volume to make room for CSI driver pod. Ooh. They need CSI driver to be as a pod, and then something that already needs CSI driver needs to be evicted, but there is no CSI driver pod. That's how I understand it from the title. Why can not CSI driver was needed? Or new CSI driver? Oh. I've seen by the way. When I create later.
Sorry, I think you're chopping up a little bit. I don't know if it's only me.
How many minutes?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I heard the same. Like,
Okay, let's wait for him.
Hello? Oh,
Hello, welcome back.
We can hear you now. Yeah.
sorry, I got disconnected. I don't know what's happening with my internet. So it was the last bug that we've been looking at, and I was mentioning that it seems to be, it may already be fixed, so it just moved to needs information. Okay. Let me share my screen again. The last thing I want to do before we conclude the meeting is to look at critical bugs. Mentioned. Yeah, I think that's how it's spelled. Okay, already. Okay, important soon. There is no critical, but some important soon. So it's just news information. A few triaged ones, which marked as important soon. Okay, some marked as 2 simultaneously. And we have 18 here. It's a lot. And just quickly review what's happening. I think we fixed this one. Yeah. Okay, this is closed. World breaks break with C group E1 and newer Linux dropping. Okay, I think this is run C issue. Yeah, and I think we fixed it in most Linux installations. So we're just waiting for run C to be released. And I wonder if we need to take it now. Is there any discussion? Yeah, I know the context 2 days ago. So that may be critical. So I know who may know better on the call what's happening, but I think one of the metrics is dropped by new Linux distros, and this metric is being read by run C, and run C would fail if there is no such metric. So we rely on the same through C advisor, and the problem is that on most distros, this was mitigated by like not removing it for now. So we may be fine releasing 129 as is, but there are obviously some other distros that may picked up this change already. So Kubernetes will not work very well on those ones. Okay. Yeah. Any opinions on the call? Okay, I will review this, and maybe we will need to try to take it for this release. Okay, dynamic resource allocation. Google restarts after not prepare resource and before checkpointing. So it's a DRA feature, right? DRA is in alpha, so I think it's important long term more appropriate.
Hey, Sergey, there is rationale from Bartosz right above. I'm not sure we reviewed that. I mean, just okay. Oh no, yeah. Sorry. You removed the duplicate priority. Sorry.
Yeah,
My bad.
I will just keep in long term. Yeah.
Okay, so sorry. It's fine.
Thank you. But I mean, you're paying attention to what's happening. I'm really glad. Scalar preemption logic, deadlock, 23 spot. Okay, this was just discussed, and for some reason I get it moved. Okay. More high priority bugs. Just review quickly. Facebook. There's too many of those. Okay. So this is in place. I think we need to reprioritize. Would panic when allocates device for ports. Is it DRA?
No, this is the existing device manager, and there is also a PR to fix from the same contributor, which is getting is being reviewed. Bartosz is doing very good job reviewing. I will take a look soon anyway. So this is basically happening more frequently now that people are consuming the Switches API. So it's a legit bug.
Is it have to be on 129?
I would say I will like to, but realistically it won't, and I don't think is worth rushing it.
Okay, so you wouldn't cherry pick it in 129.1.
Okay, the reason why I'm hesitant asking is that it is taking quite a long to review for a bunch of reasons. But so it should have been, but is it worth a cherry pick? We can propose later, I guess.
Okay. Yeah. I'm just trying to understand how big of a change it is.
The other reason why I'm hesitant is that this is quite surprisingly complex code. So let's I would be in favor of a cherry pick, but let's make sure it's right before it's cherry picked.
Okay. I'll keep priorities important soon then, because it seems to be panic. Panic is always bad. Components in the global that incorrectly pulling state from desired instead of the pod worker actual. Okay. Okay, so this is the stats are always 0 as returned by couplet summary API. Okay, so again, this is it was active for a long time from like, when January 19. The feature breaks metric collection. Mike, are you on a call?
Yes, let me see.
So when this feature is enabled, some stats are not being returned.
This is an old bug, I recall, yeah. I think this was, okay, I mean, the Potence container stats from CRI is an alpha feature. I'm not sure who was working on it.
Okay,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
kernel priority long term.
okay. Yeah, I just reported the issue because I noticed it running an alpha. a cluster with alpha features.
Okay, fixed it. It's not been consistently cleaned up on 122. Okay, what is okay, we also seen it on 127x. Okay, we asked for they shared the log. It's been here for a very long time. Basically, we have a process that spawns several pods every couple of minutes. Okay. It seems critical. So I just read the description again, and it seems that what's happening is that there is a high churn of pod deletion and creation, and some pods getting stuck, and after they being stuck, after some time, CRI start returning resource exhaustion problem. And there is a share of the kubelet log. Yeah, still seems critical, but it's very old. I wouldn't block the release by that, but we probably need to revisit this. Due to excessive allocation and Prometheus credits. Okay. Soon. I don't think it's important soon any longer. Yeah, priority backlog. Yeah. Another very old bug with some 0-byte files. Yeah, it's very old, so I wouldn't block a release on that. Just you CC'd yourself March 1st on this. I'm not sure if you had a chance to look at it.
Not really. No significant progress.
Yeah. Disable CPU quota. Use only CPU set for pod guaranteed. Why is it? Important soon. Okay, I changed the priority, but didn't change, remove the all priority. Okay. Okay, high CPU utilization. Maybe some that we've been looking at it before, but it's very odd. I wonder if it's also marked as backlog. Okay, it's owned by other SIG, so I wouldn't touch it. It's just across many SIGs. Okay, I think we looked at most of oh, two more. Okay, get box command show status up armor for pod on Kubernetes 122. Is they still use annotations instead of field. Okay, nobody's looking at that. Oh, fixed version 4. Okay, so somebody attempted to fix this issue, but it's still active. And it's for beta version of like up armor is still in beta, so I wouldn't block release on that. Okay, and this is Uber issue on removing perma-failing jobs, and I think we have separate issue for a couple more that left, and we did some progress on that. So yeah, I think we're done reviewing criticals. So the only critical I remember out of this list is the run C update. So maybe we need to update run C for this release. I will discuss it in the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks, bye.